I had just crossed 12 time zones to get back to Florida and prepared to commence working bike week. In my severely jet-lagged state, it was looking like it was going to be a long rally. After a relatively smooth setup day, I awoke to find this gator staring at my camp in a way which made me a little uncomfortable. I hung my food in a tree and headed to my first day at the office. The days rolled on as I fought the effects of the jet lag and did my best to relax whenever I could. Oh man, that's cool. One of the most fun aspects of my job is getting to meet people who come by simply to say hi.
And we need to get together and do some bullshit. That's Toby Dog.
Well, look who's here. Mr. Jersey Mike. Put this guy to work.
Can't take me anywhere.
El Cheapo. Yep. Coming into the second weekend, the rally was in full swing. As as usual, when the show starts winding down, me and the guys headed to the speedway for the flat track races.
No, but see, they flagged them off and they all piled up there, and the red flag, they didn't make a whole lap. You don't make a whole lap, it's a total restart. Look at Dan coming in there. Whoa. Whoa, look at that. Oh, Dan's on fire.
Our man Dan Bromley was racing in both the singles and Super Twins classes, so immediately after finishing one race, he jumped back on another bike and start racing again. The day following the rally, I woke up to this. Although it sucked and I was stuck in my tent all day, the rain gave me a much needed excuse to stay home and do absolutely nothing. Once I finally got everything dried out, it was time to hit the road. And there she is, another bike week in the books. This one really sucked for a variety of reasons. Number one, I never really got a chance to recover from the jet lag. I crossed about 12 time zones and I was just feeling absolutely beat down, frustrated, and frankly pissed off a lot of the times. But looking back on it, there was nowhere else I'd rather be. Special thanks to everybody that came out to show their support. Really appreciate it. Always good meeting you guys. Stay tuned for more footage from Vietnam. I got about 10 or 12 hours of stuff I'm trying to work through and chop into some cohesive videos. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe. And as usual, I've included an optional donate link in the drop box for anybody that might like to contribute to this project. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road.